Welcome to the Monkey Doodle Show, guys. I'm Mr. L, and on the Monkey Doodle Show, we do cool drawings, and you learn how to do crazy, cool, silly characters with me, and we have some fun little situations that happen with my friend Daddy the Monkey, who you'll probably see at some point soon. He's always causing tricks and trouble and all that stuff. So on the Mr. L Show, today we're going to do something cool to celebrate the 4th of July. We're going to do something cool for the 4th of July. We're going to draw a character that I really like a lot called Little Miss Liberty. And she's like a child version of her mom, Lady Liberty. All right, guys, get your drawing materials and get ready to draw with me on Monkey Doodle. All right, thanks for joining me, guys, on Monkey Doodle. This is Mr. L, and we're going to make a pretty cool drawing today to celebrate the 4th of July. Yeah! All right, and our drawing is going to be about a character called Little Miss Liberty. And she's based on the Statue of Liberty, of course, okay? So you're going to need something to draw with. I'm going to use this nice fine point Sharpie, but you can use anything you wish, and a piece of paper, of course. And it might come in handy for you guys to have some kind of a plastic cup, because the circle will come in handy for her face, okay? All right, let's get started. We're going to put the cup up here near the top of your paper, and we're going to trace a circle, but not a full circle. Start near the top. We're going to trace a circle around, go around the bottom of the cup, and about to the side over here, and stop. And then we're going to make a little semicircle that comes out a little bit like that, okay? Then we're going to put the cup back on, and we're going to go up a little bit more of the cup. So watch, but not all the way, okay? So we made pretty much a U shape and a semicircle that sticks out of it. All right, and this is going to be pretty much the head for Little Miss Liberty. Now, we're going to put an arch. The rest of it will be freehand. We're going to put an arch, goes from here to the other side pretty much, and 2 lines that come out, 1 and 2, come out at an angle a little bit. And we're going to make another slight arch that connects it. Okay. Maybe I should have made it a little bit thicker right there. Okay. And we're going to put some little squares in here. This is the beginning of her crown. Little squares, nothing fancy, but pretty cool, like the windows in her crown. And then we're going to do the crown itself, okay? So the crown is going to be an up and down wavy lines, like fingers almost. So I'm going to start over here. She has 7 of them. I'm going to go out, small one, in, up, down, up, down, up, a little taller in this one, down, up, down, and then on the side there, okay? So we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Really cool. All right, so that's her crown. And don't worry about it being too small or too big. She's Kid Liberty, Little Miss Liberty, so everybody's crown will be a little bit different. All right, now we're going to do 2 curvy lines. One over here, and 1 curvy line that comes down here. So it hits the sides of the circle shape that we did now. And that is her hair parted in the middle. We're going to do another line to hit the middle there, and another line like that to the side. All right, really cool. We're getting somewhere. Some eyes. So we're going to do a nice big circle shape, circle. A nice big circle shape here. Do your best. Draw a circle in it and a little one on the bottom, and then fill it in black. Make her look kind of cute. Little one on the bottom and fill it in black. Okay, we're getting somewhere now. How's your drawing coming? All right, let's do eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Make her look cute. 2 in the bottom. Okay. We're going to give her a little curvy nose, just like that. And a nice smile below the nose. Okay. Little line there. Make the smile happier. And we're going to come down with like a U shape. And back up. And color that black or something really dark. And maybe a little curve right there. Okay, so now Little Miss Liberty has a face. Pretty cool. We're getting somewhere. Now we're going to do some hair that comes out on the side here. So watch. Curve and then come back in and hit below the chin there. So she has a loop of hair that sticks out. And then a line. And we're going to do a little earring. Watch. One little circle here and a tiny star below it. So it looks like she has a little earring attached. Okay. All right. We're going to do a little line here for her neck. A little slight curve. And we're going to do oval that kind of goes around it and hits the bottom of the hair. See? Cool. So now she has a collar. We're going to do from the top of that, kind of like a square rectangle shape that sticks out, down, and down this way at an angle. And we're going to go slight angle out from there. Come in, back up, and down. Rectangle kind of shape. All right. Now let's see, we have our t-shirt. So we're going to work on doing something cool in the middle here. So I'm going to make a star. Star is 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 points to this star. And a little heart in the middle because she loves everybody. And little lines that stick out. So it looks like the star is shining. All right. So Little Miss Liberty has a cool star, shining star on her t-shirt. Now, we're going to make her arms. So for here, we're going to make an arm that's 2 lines. Okay. And then hits the side of her shirt. And then watch, we're going to make kind of like a curve that goes in a little bit, but doesn't hit that line. And then a line over here that goes back to the elbow. And that's her first arm. And she has a little fist there. So instead of like her mom, Big Miss Liberty, holding a book there, she's just, she just has her hand in a fist kind of form on the side, okay? Now over here, we're going to put above her eye, going to put like an oval or circular sort of shape. Alrighty. And next to it, we're going to do kind of like a number 9, watch. See that? We've got a circle with a number 9 next to it. You'll see in a minute, okay? But this is the top of her hand, the one that's going to hold a little torch, okay? So now let's do this. We're going to make the torch. Here we're going to do a line that comes down and back up like a letter V and go into that 9 and bump into it. See? It's almost like an ice cream cone. So down and up. So you have that V shape. Above it, we're going to continue that line, make it look like it goes through her hand a little bit. All right? See that? And now we're going to close it with a skinny rectangle. Watch. So pretty much a triangle and a rectangle. Remember, everything in art that we do is based on lines and shapes, lines and shapes. It makes everything that we can see. Now we're going to make a flame. Ready? Curve. And curve down. And curve over here and curve down. And let's do a taller one in the middle. Curve and curve down. So you have like these 3 shapes, curve and curve down. It's all based on curves. Let's do a line from the 9. Goes down to the sleeve. And another one right next to it. Okay, cool. So now she's holding that torch. Awesome. And now we're going to make some pants. Ready? This will be easy. 1 line down, over, up, down, over, and right to the shirt. Now we're going to do 2 lines. 1, 2, and 1, 2. A little bit more narrow on the bottom. A loop around it. Loop around this one. Okay. And a little loop around the bottom of her ankle. See that? Okay. Looking good, Little Miss Liberty. And now we're going to make it black. Okay. Make everything black except for that little part right there. Okie doke. And maybe over here too. Alrighty. Little Miss Liberty is pretty much done. The only thing we're going to do, I like patterns a lot, so you guys can put any kind of pattern you want around it. I like stars. Since we're celebrating the 4th of July, you make different size stars all around. Okay, and that looks really cool. You can put as many as you guys like. Stars are fun and happy and kind of goes with the idea of the 4th of July and freedom, and you can put little lines that pop out from the sides to make some of them look like they're shiny or sparkly, okay? That's up to you guys. Awesome. How did your Little Miss Liberty come out? I hope it came out pretty cool. I'm happy with mine. And now we're going to color Little Miss Liberty. Yeah! It's still rolling? All right, guys. Thanks for drawing with me on Monkey Doodle. And you guys did a great version of Little Miss Liberty, I bet. Join me next time on the Monkey Doodle Show with Babby. We'll draw something else silly and new. And please like and subscribe. Happy 4th of July, Babby. Happy 4th of July to you guys, too.
Oh, no.
Babby, good guy.